Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. I am Chandan and today I am going to demonstrate an extension to OpenStack Neutron which adds a console to virtual routers. So as you all know, OpenStack Neutron provides the networking capability of OpenStack, and it provides the user with a capability of creating their virtual networks, connecting instances to each other, and these virtual networks in turn can be connected to each other using a virtual router. So in my extension, what I have done is to add a console which will allow you to look inside these virtual routers. This extension can help you in situation when you want to look around what is going on inside the virtual router, or you might want to debug some situation when the virtual router is not working, and situations like that. So to start with, let's see how this extension works. I'll start by logging into Horizon, the OpenStack dashboard. And let me go into routers. And as you can see, we already have 3 routers. And let's see if we can get a console. So the extension that I was talking about added this console URL. You can just open it. It gives you a limited capability of what commands can be run. So I can run IP commands. And you can see the interfaces in this virtual router, and you can see the routes. Okay, let's start by creating a fresh router and see how the console URL works. So I'm creating a router called router 2. And if I go to the router, and at this point you will see there is no console URL, because the console URL will be allocated only when the router is scheduled, and the router is normally scheduled once you start adding interfaces to the router. So if you see, I have a few private networks, but I think all of them are already added to other routers. So I'll need to create a fresh one. So now our network is created. Let's go back to the router and add this network. So now we have added this network to the router, and if I go back to the overview, you will see that the console URL is now active. And if I do IP link, you see the link has been added. And you can see that the IP address also has been allocated, whatever is the IP address of the gateway. Let's have a look at the route. So as you can see, this console can help you understand how the networking is working within OpenStack. So that's all I wanted to demonstrate in this short video. Thanks for joining me.